Shall we begin?
G'day guys, welcome back. It's too many projects, not enough time. I'm Andrew, and today we got this inner hood frame back from the sandblasters, or media blasters, and I've already made a little bit of a start, so it's my second intro because someone forgot to press the record button. So what we've done here already, as you can see by the welds, we've cut some gussets in here, some reliefs to lay this part of the frame down on the new shape of the Series 2 skin. So we can kind of tweak it all into place. Now I have cut the very tips off these frames because they're not really going to work and line up with how the hood sits on this frame compared to the Series 1. Anyway, long story short, it's not going to work. So I cut the tips off so I could lay this section in and get it molded to the same shape. And I've already spot welded up slowly all the reliefs here. And next what we're going to do, we're going to grab the CAD, cardboard assisted design, and basically create these little end pieces I've cut off, which really were completely the wrong shape to work with the very tips here. So we're going to make a new end base plate up and a new, what would you call this, frame section to taper off into the end here to match the Series 1 shape. Alright, here we go. While I'm working the ends here and building in the new ends for these supports, I have made this wooden jig that replicates the shape of the hood, and then that way it'll hold the aluminum, or Burma Bright if you're a true Land Rover guy. The skin, it'll hold the skin in the perfect shape, and then we'll just match and finish up filling in the ends here with the new pieces, so that way nothing moves and flexes. Alright, so after lots of fettling and tapping and bending and trimming, we finally got this piece done. So that will fit in here just like this. Finishing off this all the way out to the edge here. So we just got to tack that in, and then we'll take this whole frame off and do final welding on all four corners and clean it up. So let's get on to the other side and get Alright guys, there we have it. Finally got it finished. Lots of fettling, grinding, and here we go. Let's take a look at what we did. We've now converted a Series 2 hood to fit on a Series 1 with the much more swept up ends here. So there we go, guys. We've got the Series 2 hood fitted to the Series 1 front grille, and that'll give us 3 extra inches of room underneath here. But thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching again. It's great to have you here. Come along, join me for the build. Next week we're going to be at the lake doing a little bit more work, taking my son up to work on the seniors residence. So remember to like and subscribe, and come back next week and see what we did up at the lake. And then after that, we're finally on to the bulkhead or firewall. We've got some great things happening with that. We've sorted out the heater. We're going to use a heater box that I found in my wife's grandparents' garage. Ordered some parts for the dash. We're going to do something a little interesting with that, because this is such a mixed up Land Rover from parts from many different series and year models, including the Range Rovers. It's going to be a little different. So thanks again, and we'll see you next week.
Oh, for sure.